name is Roy. Welcome to my channel RoysArtyCrafty. So in this video we'll be doing a lowercase of Italic script and we'll be doing only the descenders. So the letters which are having descenders will be demonstrated and tried. So let's start the video. So we can try to write G in various shapes and sizes. So then later we can decide and compare which one is correct. And also we can try to write bold. So now we can modify the nib size within the body. Like initially we were considering like we should have 5 nibs within the body. So now if we would try to get only or add or decrease the nib size to 4 or 6, so accordingly we will get a bold or light italic script. So we have written a lot of G letters. So now let's try to analyze one by one and compare which one is correct. So we can see that the first one is having very longer body. So the ratio of body and the descender is not correct. So we can mark it as wrong. So the fourth one we can see. So the descender part is going like okay, and the height is also okay. So we mark the fourth one as a light version of Italic script based on the ratio, and the last one is having the correct size, the height is correct and the descender part is correct, so it is correct size and shape. So similarly we practice letter P now.
Why
So now let's try the letter J. So similarly we'll be trying J letter by writing various types and various sizes. So this example or this practice is mainly for white paper without using the guidelines, guide rules or guide shape and sizes, so to just have a perfect size.